So our break is over. We're back on the trail. I have my umbrella ready for rapid deployment if necessary. Chance of rain this afternoon. The severe thunderstorms are over and we're ready to go up Bromley Mountain.
And we only have 3 miles to go.
Yes, we have. Back at your apartment.
Breakfast on Bromley. You want to say something?
Yes, I like putting peanut butter in my oatmeal. I don't care what anybody says.
Okay then.
Stratton over there.
It must be. So we are not going that way. We are going that way.
So once again, we're entering the wilderness. This time it's the Peru Peak Wilderness.
We're in Peru.
Wow. The peaks are really high in Peru.
Uh-huh.
Like 22,000 feet.
Yep. We're going up now.
Okay, here we go.
There we go.
Not much headroom in this shelter.
No. I was bored, so I swept it out. Didn't do a very good job, obviously. There's something big enough there with my guts and dropping sawdust down.
They definitely must like stinky things. Putting our food in the bear box, but the bear box is wet, so we're gonna wash it out or wipe it out. Then we're gonna go swimming in Griffith Lake. Chris just fell and landed in that mud. So now he's trying to wash himself off. And I hope he didn't get hurt. Guys, we woke up with about an inch of water in the bottom of our tent.
That'd be fun to sit in on a hot day.
Yeah, it would. That's pretty cool. Is it scary?
No, it's very tight. Oh.
I'm afraid to walk by it. Oh my gosh. I told you they could climb trees. Can it like shoot its things out at us?
So this is the path we just came up out of Killington, out of Clarendon Gorge, all the way down there, all the way back up here. Definitely the most challenging climb we've had so far.
Hello.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We have a beautiful view for breakfast.
We do. How you guys doing?
You're ready. Yeah. Trail. So we just do things. So see you in August. Yeah, see you in August.
Good morning.
That's where we came out yesterday. Oh look, there's a hiker. of the things I've been craving on trail. Okay.
So here we are on our rest day. It's Sunday, and we're at the inn at Long Trail. It's been amazing. We needed a rest after yesterday.
Yeah.
Yesterday was tough. So we're at Governor Clement's shelter, and we had seen the weather report that there was significant chance of rain, getting more as the day went on, and we knew we were going to be climbing Killington. And so we woke up at 2:30 in the morning and said, you know what, let's just pack up and go. And so we started hiking at 3:30
In the morning.
and it was dark, as it usually is at 3:30 in the morning.
We used our headlamps.
And then mine went out and had to be recharged. And then it was starting to get light, just a little bit. And then it started raining.
And the mountain didn't ever end.
And
It just
so
kept
we
going
went
up.
up. We went all the way to the top of Killington, well, to the shelter, Cooper Lodge, and by then it was raining. It was a very cold rain, and it was very windy.
And I sweat a lot when I hike.
Yeah. And so you got really, really chilled.
I did.
And we got up to the Cooper Lodge, and we put your dry clothes on and put you inside our quilt and gave you hot chocolate and hot oatmeal and put 2 pairs of socks on and gloves and a hat. Not a hat.
No.
But everything else, and you were still cold.
Yeah, I was shivering.
And so...
You gave me hot water.
Gave you hot water. And it was really cold and windy outside. And so we... we heard rumors there was a cafe and maybe another way down the mountain, and I went looking for that and couldn't find it, and so we decided that we would just come down the mountain. The farther down we came, the warmer the temperature would be, and
A little bit.
the wind should be less in the forest. So it did, and we came down the mountain, and the rain held off until really the last mile.
Well, it was sprinkling most of the time.
It was sprinkling, a little misty, but
windy.
But in fact, as we came down the mountain, the temperatures definitely rose, and it wasn't as cold, and you gradually warmed up. And
Avoided hypothermia.
Avoided hypothermia. It was a little scary there for a while.
Yeah.
But then the last mile it started raining again, and the last mile seemed like about 10 miles.
Yeah. I think I cried the whole entire last mile.
Yeah.
My feet were hurting.
Yeah, it was hard, but we made it
was
here,
very hard.
and Inn at Long Trail has just been really, really nice. Everything's rustic, all the furniture and stairs and everything, and posts and columns are all made out of natural logs, and
Yeah. You should come here.
it's just really beautiful, and
Their food is amazing.
food's amazing. The service has been great.
Yeah.
And so really, we were ready for for a day off.
Yeah. I'm glad we took a day off.
So, but we've got a resupply box. We're getting ready to pack up, and
We're almost halfway.
yay!
We hit the 100-mile mark.
Yep.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, yesterday. I don't remember what day it is. What else?
You're going to talk about Ducky.
Oh yeah, so Rubber Ducky, the little blue duck that's in some of my pictures and videos, is my daughter Nadia's duck, and I am carrying it for her. I told her I would carry it from Massachusetts to Canada, so I'm kind of dedicating my hike to her. And you were gonna.
And you're gonna leave Ducky at the Canadian border.
I'm gonna leave
to
Ducky
fend for himself.
I'm gonna hide Ducky somewhere near the Canadian border, and my daughter said that she wants to hike with me someday and go up there and go get him. So yeah, that'd be kind of
Yeah.
cool.
And so I was thinking about, a lot of my clients are unable to walk for various reasons. So I'm dedicating my hike I'm walking for, all the people I serve and people I know that are unable to walk, I'm walking for them, and this 273 miles we're walking has been just really amazing. At times, very difficult.
Very difficult.
And very challenging, both physically and mentally.
Yeah.
And but some of the views we've seen, some of the
animals,
the porcupine, the
yeah,
beaver,
so much, the butterflies, the people we've met.
Yeah, it's been really, really epic.
Yeah. But the more epic part is coming up, apparently. Yeah, we have 3 more 4,000 footers to go over. We did our first yesterday with Killington, so we have 3 more to go.
Yep. So we're back on the trail tomorrow.
Mhm. And I guess that's it.
That's it. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. We're playing Onto the Desert, a game of survival. Here at the Inn at Long Trail. Okay, so only one.
We got the giant green pin. Hello.
Hi,
What you doing?
I'm trying out chairs.
Oh.